Hello and welcome everyone. I am Thamizharasu, your friendly business coach. Today, we are going to dive into the world of sales forecasting and understand its importance in business. So, buckle up because we are about to take an insightful journey. Let's get started. 1. What is sales forecasting? Sales forecasting is a crucial business activity that involves predicting future sales. It provides estimates that businesses use to plan inventory, manage cash flow, and gauge overall company performance. In essence, it's a compass that guides the strategic actions of a business. 2. The essential elements of sales forecasting. Sales forecasting involves several key elements. These include historical sales data, market research, industry trends, economic conditions, and competitor actions. By analyzing these elements, businesses can create a more accurate sales forecast. 3. Different methods of sales forecasting. There are numerous methods used in sales forecasting, and the choice depends on the business's needs, market dynamics, and data availability. The major ones include time series forecasting, regression analysis, and qualitative forecasting, Salesforce composite. Each of these methods has its strengths and weaknesses. 4. Step-by-step guide to implementing quantitative sales forecasting. Firstly, you'll need to collect your company's historical sales data, usually over the past few years. This data should be as detailed as possible, including information on sales volumes, prices, and dates. Next, use your historical sales data to identify any recurring patterns or trends. These could be seasonal patterns, like increased sales during holiday periods, or cyclical fluctuations tied to the broader economy. Once you've collected your data and identified any patterns, it's time to choose a statistical model to make your forecast. The model should be chosen based on the nature of your data and the trends you've identified. There are various models available, such as linear regression, exponential smoothing, or ARIMA, autoregressive integrated moving average. With your model chosen, you can now use it to create your sales forecast. This will give you an estimate of future sales based on your historical data and identified trends. Finally, remember that sales forecasting is not a one-time task. You'll need to regularly review and update your forecast as new sales data becomes available and market conditions change. 5. Advantages of using qualitative sales forecasting techniques. Flexibility. Unlike quantitative methods, qualitative forecasting isn't bound by historical data. This makes it more adaptable to rapidly changing market conditions or unexpected shifts in consumer behavior. Expert insights. Qualitative forecasting relies on the knowledge and intuition of industry experts. This can provide invaluable insights that cold, hard numbers simply can't capture. For instance, an experienced sales manager might be able to detect subtle shifts in buying patterns before they show up in the data. Understanding the why, quantitative data can tell you what is happening, but it often falls short in explaining why. With qualitative forecasting, you can dig deeper into consumer motivations and market trends, helping you develop more nuanced and effective strategies. 6. Incorporating market trends in your sales forecast. Understanding market trends is a crucial aspect of sales forecasting. By keeping an eye on market changes and consumer behavior, you can make more accurate predictions about your sales and adjust your strategy accordingly. Analyze your industry. Take a look at what's happening in your industry. Are there any shifts or trends occurring that could impact your sales? Keep tabs on your competitors. Your competitors can give you valuable insights into the market dynamics. Monitor their activities, their successes, and their failures to inform your sales forecast. Research consumer behavior. Understanding your consumers and their behavior is vital. Are there any changes in their purchasing habits, preferences, or needs? Adjust your forecast. Based on your research, adjust your sales forecast accordingly. Remember, sales forecasting is not a one-and-done task. It's a continuous process, and you need to regularly update your forecast as new information becomes available. 7. Common pitfalls in sales forecasting and how to avoid them. While historical data is a fundamental aspect of sales forecasting, relying solely on it can be risky. Market conditions, customer preferences, and competitive landscapes change continuously, which might make your historical data obsolete. Therefore, always complement your historical data with current market insights and trends. As mentioned, current market trends ought to be a critical part of your sales forecast. However, many companies fail to consider these trends, leading to inaccurate predictions. Regularly monitor market trends and incorporate them into your sales forecast to improve its accuracy. Successful sales forecasting does not occur in isolation. It requires the integration of data and insights from various departments, such as marketing, finance, and operations. Ensure to foster cross-departmental collaboration for a comprehensive and accurate sales forecast. It's human nature to be optimistic, especially when talking about future sales. However, overestimating your sales can lead to inventory issues, financial strain, and unrealistic targets for your sales team. It's always better to be conservative and realistic in your sales forecast. Not all prospects are at the same stage in the sales funnel, which means they don't all have the same probability of converting into a sale. Ignoring the sales funnel stage can skew your sales forecast. Finally, failing to regularly update your sales forecast is a common pitfall. Your sales forecast should be a living, breathing document that evolves with your business and market conditions. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your forecast ensures it remains accurate and relevant. 8. The role of technology in sales forecasting. Modern businesses leverage technology to enhance their sales forecasting efforts. With tools like customer relationship management, CRM, and artificial intelligence, AI, businesses can automate the forecasting process, reduce errors, and make more accurate predictions. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into the importance of sales forecasting in business. Remember, the future may be unpredictable, but with effective sales forecasting, your business can navigate the tides of uncertainty with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our insightful business tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.